Identity theft can take place just about anywhere or anytime, at an ATM, favorite restaurant, or online. Thieves have become more sophisticated and proficient at skimming, which copies your debit or credit card information with a device that looks like a card reader. Once your card has been copied, the thieves can take the information from a remote location and produce a fraudulent copy of your card. How to protect yourself. You can protect your payment cards in many ways. They include: keep your card in sight. When using your card in a merchant, keep it in sight at all times. Keep your personal identification number or PIN number a secret. Never write or store it with your card. Don't give your PIN over the phone. Watch your email. Don't provide your debit or credit card number, PIN, or any other personal information in response to an unsolicited email or online request. Never provide your card information on an unsecured website. Check websites for security features, including HTTPS, in front of the website's address. The S stands for secure, meaning the information you type is encrypted and can't be hacked. Sign the back of your cards as "Please see ID" when you receive them. Shield your card number so others around you can't copy or capture it on a mobile device or other camera. Report a lost or stolen card to GPO right away. By notifying us immediately, you can reduce the chance your card will be used improperly. For more information about debit and credit card safety, visit our identity theft section at gpofcu.com.